Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to record a bit of a different video for an issue I came up at work, and which I try to make a part for it. Basically, what we have done at work, we have refurbished a accessible toilet, and at the position of where the toilet holder was going didn't really appeal to me. So um, I am trying to make a part. I want to make a part that clip into one of the handrail that they are alongside the toilet. So let me switch the camera on, the other camera on, so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the bar for a accessible toilet, and the one actually I have refurbished at work didn't have a proper space where to install a toilet holder. So what I'm going to do today, I am going to create a toilet holder, 3D printed a toilet holder that can be clipped into this bar, coming down this way and out and like that, so the toilet can be held underneath the bar without interfering with the space too much. So the dimension of this bar is a 35 millimeter diameter, and then the offset from the wall to the front is 115. So because I'm thinking to have also a little bar coming out from the printed place, so it's held vertically to the square to the wall. Basically, it doesn't move around like this. So let's go and try to do some sketches on Fusion 360. Okay, now we are back to in Fusion 360, and sorry, I've got the cat jumping all over the place. And let's try to make a sketch. So I'm gonna create a sketch. I'm gonna do it from the front this time, and I am going to create a diameter which is 5 mil, and then from here we can actually convert this one into a construction line. I want to offset this 1.1, so we'll give a bit of a play between the handrail and the printed part, basically, and then we make another offset of 5.1. So because I'm making the clamp 5 mil thick, and the 0.1 is to add the extra 0.1 I have added there. So I'm going to click OK there. Now I am going to cut this one not in half, but a slight, say, angle, probably 60-degree angle. The length doesn't really matter, so I'll click there, and what I'm going to do now, we do another piece of line there, and we do a mirror, and that's the mirror the line I want to mirror, and that's the line. Click OK. So we have a equal cut there. Let me quickly measure what that distance is, I don't think exactly 2 points or anything. So I put a dot there, which is silly. Dots. Right, and then let me is 2 points, 30 mil basically gap. So hopefully I have 5 mil flexibility on the item. Probably not, but we'll see. Let's have a look. If I do 55, 65, and see how much gap I've got here. A 31, 32. Probably I'll leave it there actually. I'm more confident on that one. So now I'm gonna trim the things I don't really want. Don't need that. Don't need all that anymore. So, and then from here, I want to do a line coming down, and I want to trim that and that. I forgot earlier, and I am going to create another point, which is not really needed actually, because I can do a and do an offset here. So offset plane. So let me finish this sketch. Let me see if I'm thinking is correct. So if I do construction plane on that plane and we come down halfway, so if we come down minus 17.5, which should be the halfway point. Let me check. No, because I haven't considered it. Well, I can start from there actually. Yeah, I can actually start from there. Because I'm going to join it after. Let me hide the origin point. So now I'm doing a sketch that plane, and I create a, I think I'm gonna go for 20 mil round. Okay, so if I now extrude this one minus, so the toilet roll need a clearance of about, I would say 70 mil. So adding the 5 mil of the thickness, so I am going to extrude that 75, and we have a new body here. That is fine. And then what do we have here? Now I can extrude this one for about 60. Oh, it's going the other way. No, so minus 60, and I'll do another new body there. Let me put it this way, and I can extrude here another probably, I think it's 7.5. That looks okay. it wasn't actually 17.5. I don't know what measurement I took, but I don't know, it was the 10 mil, wasn't it? Actually, that's through the 10 mil. So I can't go back 7.5, but do I really want to? Let me see. Was this overall 77? Yeah, let me go back. Actually, I'm probably a little bit too big. Extrude back. Oh, ooh. Go back there. I should be okay. Right there. Now what I need to do, I need to create another sketch more or less down here. So if I go back here and I this sketch back in and I edit the sketch, actually no, I'm not gonna edit that. I'm gonna create a new one there so I can see the actual object. I project that line. Now I can close that one off. And what do we have here? We have the bottom of that port arm. And what we're gonna do? 25 mil. I'm gonna do a 25 mil rod. So from here we have the middle. So we're gonna create a circle point to point from the middle, and we said 25. I was gonna get bigger than the of the outside, isn't it? Which won't look that great. Let me stick with 20 then. We stick with 20. And what we do, we for about 11. Let me put the body on and see where is it. So I need to consider the 10 mil. So 11. I'm gonna extrude it. I need to finish the sketch first. I need to extrude this one for 12. Possibly on the other side. I think. Check. Yeah. And I'm going to do new body. So now we have roughly the shape there. Nothing special, but don't need anything special. Now I want to create a sketch there, and I'm going to project this one, right, all these bodies, and I am going to offset this one. We'll give it a bit of 3 mil offset. Give it something to probably 4. Let's try with 4. We finish the sketch and we put that one, and I'm gonna do extrude. I do 1, 2, extrude. 10 mil is enough. Yeah. So I want to do a chamfer there. So it's easier to print. Okay, and we can do a little bit rounded there. Let's have a 2 mil around it. Yes, okay. In that bad actually. I can do this. And do this. We can split the body. Body to split is this one, and this is the body to split. And okay, so take that one off. Have that body there and be removed, and then we have in okay, yeah, split body, body to split that one, and that is the face. Now I will split and go that, remove, put that one back, fine, bang, bang, bind, and technically I can combine them all. They're all in one piece. Not sure if this one will come nicely because they're flattened this way. But let's see how it goes, and I will now save it. No, another one. We're gonna export the file. On. We export in 3M, 3MF. And where do we export it to? We export it to models. So, and we'll leave it outside there. Export. Now I can open Bamboo Studio and let's cancel for now. I don't have time now to update it. We import the model and we go into that one. Okay. Art. Okay, it was that one. I didn't give it a name. So we go into lay on face and we lay on this face. We lay on this face and we'll give it a go. What we're gonna do here, click on that and I'm gonna print in blue because need to be on the contrast, the typical colors for accessible toilet. And let's see what the slicer, yeah, I know, copy over, give it there, says, oh, it takes 3 hours. Well, Right, that's quite a bit. Or is it a high quality? I don't need high quality. I can go to draft and we slice it again. Okay, 1 hour and 46 minutes is much better. And let's have a go. Let's have a look. Yeah. Okay. And let me if I want to change anything here, wall generator, going to Arachne, and strength with uninfill. I probably for loops. I'm gonna put 3 loops, not 4 actually. Pattern matter for layer 4 is fine. Shell thickness is okay because 4 is 1 mil. Maybe increase that one top shell layer and paint penetration layer. I don't know what that means yet. Go back. Same watershed layers. I am 4 layers there as well. Fail. I think I'm gonna try that one for the first time and we'll see how that goes. I go on infill percent. Yes, this with that I want a bit of more strength in there. Slice and see how it increases about an hour. It's increased about an hour, but it will be okay. Let's send it to the printer. Okay, give it a time lapse and send. And here we are. It's downloading into the machine. And then I'm just waiting for the machine to start behind me. Here we go. There we go. And that is now launched. So see you back later once the printing is done. Okay, the printer has finished. So let's take the parts, which seems quite good, and let's see if I can actually clip it where I'm supposed to clip it. Oops. So if I clip that, okay, that seems good. So that's supposed to be like this, and let me try the holder. And seems to be okay. Could be slightly tighter if I want to be really picky, but I think this is enough if I put a little bit of double-sided tape inside and can go there. So this is blue because the new bars are blue. So here we are. Part is completed. I just need to remove the support here. I have to put some support there because I took a picture, so I will put at the end of the video. I managed to make a very nice plate of spaghetti, so I'll put that failure at the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching this one, and if you like me to do any other parts, just leave it in the comments and I'll try to help you. And see you next time. Thank you very much.